Recorded the sewer line here today at 12549 Roosevelt Way Northeast. Let me get the unit number. Hold on a second here. (12549) Roosevelt Way Northeast, unit number 11. Recording this from the clean out in the garage, about 50 some feet down the line. This is as far as I'm able to push this thing. It's going through a number of turns here. It's all plastic, which is great. I got the sink running right now, the kitchen or the basement bathroom sink here off the garage, running right now to show you that we're open and flowing. So we're sitting, like I said, 50 some feet down there. Number of turns. This is likely one of the other units tying into this system here. We're going to come back from here and get a look at this line. Go through another PVC turn there, come back into ABS pipe, black ABS, another turn there, couple of turns there, another turn there. So, good looking sewer line. There is the clean out cap there and the video.